Walking tours, a journey through language and exploration. Hello, everyone, welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of walking tours. Whether you're a language enthusiast, a traveler, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's dive in and discover what walking tours are all about. Walking tours are guided explorations of a particular area or subject, conducted on foot. They provide an immersive experience, allowing participants to see, hear, and feel the surroundings in a way that's not possible through other forms of touring. These tours can be focused on various themes, such as history, art, nature, or culture, offering a rich and engaging way to learn about different places and topics. For those learning English, walking tours offer a unique opportunity to practice listening and speaking skills in real-life situations. By participating in a tour conducted in English, learners are exposed to natural language use, diverse accents, and cultural nuances. This real-world exposure can greatly enhance language comprehension and conversational abilities. 1. Practical language application. Walking tours provide a context for applying language skills in practical situations. 2. Cultural immersion. They offer insights into local culture, idioms, and expressions that are not typically found in textbooks. 3. Active learning. The interactive nature of walking tours encourages active participation and engagement, which is crucial for language retention. Engage actively, ask questions, participate in discussions, and use the opportunity to practice speaking. Take notes. Jot down new vocabulary, phrases, or interesting facts you learned during the tour. Reflect and review. After the tour, review your notes and try to use the new language you've acquired in your own conversations. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the world of walking tours and how they can be a fantastic tool for English language learning. Remember, language learning is not just about textbooks. It's about experiences, interactions, and exploring new worlds. Happy learning and exploring! See you in our next video.